Are you looking for businesses that you can actually start with your phone? I got it covered, guys, because in today's video, I am going to be sharing 13 lucrative, profitable businesses that you can actually start with your phone. If you have been looking for businesses that you can actually launch on your phone, it is very, very possible. And because of the internet connection, the technology that is taking place right now, anybody can launch a successful business on his or her phone. You can actually launch this business from the comfort of your home. And why I love mobile business is that no matter where you are, your business is going to be controlled. Mobility is very, very important. Unlike the days that we have physical shops, and when you don't open your shop, that business is closed. But with your phone, you can actually launch this business, travel anywhere you are, and things are also actually moving very, very well. So even if you want to start up with your phone or you don't have much money, the phone is the first place that you should be able to run to so that you can be able to, kickstart your business. And as time goes on, you can buy all the equipment like laptops and maybe open a physical shop if that is your own dreams, your own goals. So right now, let's dive into this video and so that you can actually pick the businesses, one or two business that you can actually launch from your home. I have been able to launch three businesses on my phone, and two right now are going very, very well. And the other one is also striving because I have not been able to give it enough time. So the only thing that you can actually use and succeed right now is just your phone, that smartphone that you are using in your hands to chat and make calls can do more for you right now, guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Right now, long are the days that we are using only phone to make calls and to chat and to reach our loved ones. Right now, we can actually use our phones, smartphones, to make money. The first business that you can actually use to make money, guys, today that I am going to be introducing to you right now is to start a logistics business or a delivery services. These two, they go hand in hand together. And you can actually start these businesses with your phone. And because of the e-commerce business flying everywhere, people are buying more things online. This business is a very lucrative and profitable business to start right now because of the e-commerce business right now. A lot of people are actually shopping from their phone. A lot of people are actually shopping online, and they need somebody that can actually deliver these particular products for them. Someone that they can actually trust. And you are the person, if you are interested in starting a delivery services, you can actually launch it from your phone. You can start food delivery services. You can start grocery services, delivery services. You can also start e-commerce package deliveries. You can also start home delivery. So these businesses, you can actually launch them comfortably from your phone. And all you need is to put yourself in the necessary platforms that you actually need where people can actually see you, get to see you, and call you so that you can actually deliver their packages for them. And the next business that you can actually start from your phone with your phone, only your phone, is to start an IT support business, technology support business. And you actually need to have technology skills if you actually want to start this kind of business. A lot of people, companies, individuals, brands are looking for assistance on who can actually assist them on troubleshooting their hardwares and their softwares and other technology problems. And you can actually be the one to solve it if you have technology skills. You can actually do this business and launch it from your phone. And the next business, number three, that you can actually start with your phone is to be a writer and start your own blogging business. Right now, you can actually launch your blog with your phone. I have done that before and I am still doing it today. With WordPress, you can actually, start your blog and write any topic that you want to start. And if you cannot start your own blog, you can actually apply for other people, stand to take you. A lot of companies who has more traffic on their page are looking for writers who can actually write for them. You can actually write for them from anywhere, from your home. Anywhere you are, you can actually write as long as you have a mobile phone. A lot of companies are looking for people who can actually write for them on their own blogs, on their own websites. So if you have the skills for writing, you can actually start this business and launch it from your phone. As long as you have a mobile phone, you can launch it from anywhere without a laptop. And even without having a physical shop, you can actually launch this particular business. And the next business that you can actually launch from your phone is to become a social media influencer or an Instagram influencer. You can build an engaging audience, build your content, put out your content there and let them know what you can actually do. Whether you want to go into travel, you want to go into fashion, you want to go into cooking, people are sponsoring some of these businesses. As long as you put yourself out there as an authority, you can actually make it. They take pictures, they take different kinds of videos, you create content that can actually attract people to give you that particular business that you are actually looking for. Now, influencers are actually making money. People pay influencers to advertise their businesses for them. And it's only when you have a large following that people will be able to, give you that kind of business. Some people, they tell you their prices and you'll be amazed. Influencer earning this kind of money. You can actually make it if you want to become an influencer. Anywhere you are, you show them different kinds of, vibes. And before you know, you start making money only with just your phone, guys. You need to be very, very active. And the next business that you can actually start from your phone is to become a social media marketer. Social media marketer right now, there are brands, companies, people that are looking for people that can actually help them to, post content, promote their content. They don't have the strength and they don't have the skills. All these things are skills. So if you are that person, you can actually, promote yourself. You can use sponsored ads, start to push yourself and let them see you. Push yourself to their faces. And before you know it, you start making money with your phone. There are quite lots of businesses that you can actually, make money with only your phone. Passive income, side hustles. Even if you have other businesses, these things can actually help you to make money. And the next business that you can actually launch from your phone, number 6, is to become an Airbnb host. Airbnb host right now, you can actually start it from anywhere. All you need to do is to list your, property in the Airbnb host apps. There are apps. You can even use social media, understand, to promote the properties, monetize all the properties. If you don't have any property, understand, to promote, you can actually look for people's property and, go into affiliate marketing with them. Once you promote any property and you rent that property, you are going to be getting your own commission for that. And it is only done with your phone. This mobile phone that you are looking at, you don't need to ignore it because it can actually make you rich. It's with time you'll be making money, you'll be seeing money with it. And the next business that you can actually start with your phone is to start content creation. Right now, content creation is one of the deal things you can actually do with your phone. People create content on YouTube, people create content on TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook. All these apps are paying. As long as you are able to, reach their monetization tax, you get paid for what you do. A lot of people, are giving success stories. We can hear different kinds of success stories where people are making money with their phone. And you can actually be that person if you are interested to launch your own, you know, launch your own content creation, depending on the app. Any app that you choose to work with is actually going to help you to make money. And the next business that you can actually launch with your phone is to start an event planning business. Event planner actually needs to make a business to be successful, need to make an event to be successful, from the party, from the event, whether it's a wedding, whether it's a conference, different kinds of events. Find locations, make sure that that particular event is successful. If you start making events to be successful, people will start referring you to other people. So you can actually launch it on your phone and let people know that you can actually do this. Anyone that you do, you cover it, you take pictures, you post it online. Some people are looking for people who can cater for their events and take care of any particular type of events because they don't have time. And if you prove that you can actually run an event for them, make sure that that event goes on from A to Z, you are going to get that particular business. And the other business that you can actually start with your phone is to sell products online. become an e-commerce seller. There are many platforms, they have made it easier for you to make money by selling your own products. You can also go into drop shipping if you cannot get your own inventory. All these platforms where you can actually put yourself out there. If you don't want to have your own website, you can actually, put your products in other websites. Me, I use Facebook Marketplace to sell my products. I'm always sharing this because it has been very, very helpful. You can use Amazon, you can use Shopify, you can use, different kind, Poshmark, different kinds of market sellers place, marketplace where you can actually sell your products. And the next business is to go into videography or photography. Right now, companies, phone companies, every time they are creating their phones, they like to create good quality cameras for that particular phone. So people can actually get custom pictures and photography. If you know that you can actually capture good footages, you can also put yourself in schools where you can learn all these particular things. You learn editing, you learn lighting, and capture good footages. People use their phones to take wedding photographies and wedding pictures, events, commercials. They are run with phone. You don't need heavy equipment. Use what you have and get what you want. And right now, as time goes on, you can actually get the heavy equipment that you are actually looking for. These are actually making money for people. And the next business that you can actually launch with your phone is cleaning business. Cleaning business right now is very lucrative and very profitable business to start right now. All you need to do is to let people know that you are launching this. You can do ads online. You understand? And you can actually differentiate the kind of cleaning that you are into, whether you're into industrial cleaning, commercial cleaning, or cleaning homes, and put the prices. Let people know that yes, this is the kind of cleaning that you are actually doing, and definitely you start making money with your business only with your phone. The next business you can launch with your phone right now is to, start creating apps, whether it's iPhone Power app or Android apps. People have made lots of money, millions in creating apps. You can create apps for companies, for individuals, and make money with that. You can also create your own apps and sell them for money. People create apps and they sell them. These are amazing businesses that you can actually launch with your phone right now. If you enjoy watching my videos, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos right now, and see you next time, guys. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask any question in the comment section, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.